Ano siya lang agad?
A big egg!
There's more in here. In your room.
Get your eggs!
In your room. Anak, in your room.
There.
Ay, kahinay.
Kahinay, ginabat siya
Okay,
na
tingnan ba? Wait, put it down, put it
Hindi ka umang imo ay ka. Sangat ka mo.
Hindi alam ko ano yun.
Nana, look. Ada, how about that? Ada, what's that? There's a big egg, Ada. Ada, what's that? Ada.
What's that, Nene?
I forgot. Cinnamon deal.
Okay, look. There's, did you find more? Hi, Nene, are you done? I think there's more in the bathroom. Where's the okay? There's more in the bathroom. Ada, there's more in the bathroom. Yeah, and Kaka's room too. Ano, dad yung dalawa. Did you find it? There's more over there.
Kita-kita naman eh, nakakalat eh.
Eh, siyempre, ganyan naman. Oh, wow! Did you find more? Picture it din, Sanda. Isabel. There's more! There's more! Ada, look! Big boy! Big boy, look! There's a blue one! Ada, look! Look! There's a blue one! And there's the green one on top. How about on the bed, anak ko? There's some on the bed too.
Come on, Ada!
Hurry up! Ah! Tada! Oh, I see a... Oh, what about this one? How about this one, Ada? Ada, look. That's my pink. Oh, okay. Is there any more? Let's see if there's any more. Is that it?
Oh, but in the bathroom. Did you check the bathroom?
Ada, come here.
Where else? Wow!
Last
A
one.
lot!
The last one. Over here, anak ko.
There's so many eggs here!
Over here, anak ko. Igasala.
There's so many eggs!
Show Papa.
Oh my gosh!
Hey, you dropped one.
Oh, there's so many eggs!
Wow! Yay! Ada! Take a picture.
Another one here, Ada.
Go get another one. Go get it. Just come back for your basket. Go get the other egg. Come on, another egg.
There's more!
Where's the egg?
Let's see! It's got a lot!
Harap pa siya, oh.
Ay, the other eggs here! Kasi naiiyak ako sa banyo. Naiiyak siya.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. He's got more eggs. Show your eggs. Okay, picture over here. Picture. Stand up with your eggs in here. Stand up with your eggs. Nene, come and take a picture right here. Stand up. Ada.
Where is the egg?
Inside the house.
Wow.
Stand up in here. There. Take a picture. Okay? Smile. Smile.
Ilagay mo si Rico sa gitna.